Hello, welcome to Totally Random. So, bench is a bit messy. However, this Lockwood, I believe it's a 235. Thanks to Paul Spriggett for his comments. I've talked to a few guys about this only what I believe to be only opening anti-clockwise. However, after I've been playing with it for a couple of days, just opening it and gave it a bit of a polish because, as you can see, it's quite dirty. So yeah, I just ran over that with a bit of Silvo and gave it a spray of inox. What the hell was I going to say? Right, this key. So after doing so, grabbed the loop again, went over it. I was actually in the middle of reading a comment and I thought, yeah, I'll come back to this. I'm too interested to know the answer. So I took off four passes on number 4 because there was a definite impressioning mark there. There was 2 very light ones on 2 and 3. So I went, put the key back in the lock, gave it a jiggle. Before that I did that, though, I did take 2 passes off the top of 5. And then I came back and took 2 passes off 2, 3 and 4. Just trying to keep that in focus and the shine off it. And it was opening, however, you could feel it wasn't as smooth as I could feel it wasn't as smooth as it should be, or could be. It was number 4 was clashing against the bottom of the pin. It was still opening it, however, I made a video and then I thought, no, I'm not happy with that. It was sticky, put it that way, blatantly sticky. So I've taken another 4 passes, very light passes off number 4, and it's not as sticky as it was. I mean, I think some of that's, the mechanicals up here. Nonetheless, it does open both clockwise and anti-clockwise, as people were trying to tell me. However, when you're trusting a tool and what you can see with your own eyes, it's a little bit different because I wonder what the evidence would be on the bench, but I did break, here it is, here's part of it. I did break a key on the first attempt. Well, it was obviously the first attempt because I just reefed it hard that way, and most of the key was left in the lock. It's easy to pull out nonetheless. Thanks to Paul Spriggett for his comments. There she is, opening both ways. So, lessons learned. Totally random. Locks and picks. Happy picking. Keep it legal. And everyone have a nice day. Cheers.